Locking estimates within PataBid Quantify. So to lock an estimate, you can simply open up an estimate and there is the lock check mark here. You can turn that on and you will see that everything turns red here. So if I go to a different estimate, it's the standard colors. If I come back to this one, it is red, indicating that this estimate is locked and is read only. Now, to lock and unlock estimates, you have to have the permissions set on the user who has the authority to do this. So coming in here, you can click on the user permissions, and there are the estimate lock and estimate unlock permissions. So you can have users that are able to lock an estimate, but not unlock one. So if I set that for my own user here, I can lock the estimate, but if I try to unlock it, it gives me this error that I cannot unlock this estimate. And the same goes for the locking here. So if we had none of these permissions set, then I would not be able to lock or unlock any estimates in here. So if I selected an estimate, it would give me this error that I would need to have the locked permission. And same goes for unlock there, as we've already seen. So you can turn these permissions on per user in here and give them the exact access that they need to lock and unlock estimates.